What's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Danny J Guns, and you're watching me. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to the most lit YouTube channel there is. I'm Danny J Guns, and you're in my channel. Basically, asking a question on Instagram whether if I should just do a planned video or just go with the flow. And many of you guys voted mostly for just go with the flow, so I'm going with the flow. What's up, guys? I'm here filming out from the wild. I really got nothing to do. Feels crazy. If you guys been following me on Instagram, follow me wherever social media, you can see I've been basically asking like questions where to film. So then today I just took a small trip to one of the backyards of town, and it's just an open field, and it's pretty neat, this place to come film. So I'm just watching these trees. I barely get out, so just crazy. I just hope somebody doesn't pop out. Ooh. Like, it's very spooky because just empty trees. Not much to look at, but yeah, I think I'll get out of here. This forest, or wherever this forest is very spooky, so I call it haunted because there's like no noise, anybody around, so very spooky. Saw some trees. Look at it. Oh my gosh, look at the glory. Woo. Look at those trees. Apparently this is like the spookiest background I've ever had. Yeah. Just hope something doesn't pop out of that tree. This is the part where you run away. Owning a pet. I bet you guys own one. Well, in my case, I own more than just one. Apparently, it does affect you a lot when you guys have more than one pet, because usually you might have a favorite one, but once another pet comes inside the house, it takes the love of that pet. And in my case, I have a little dog that is my favorite one. Well, it used to be my favorite one till I started getting more pets, and then suddenly I started loving him, start playing with him. And well, a year ago I used to play with him, and he used to listen to me, and he used to play fetch, he used to bring it. And now that I tried to play with him today, things went wrong. He paid no mind to me. I was calling him, telling him what to do, and he's just rubbing himself, like trying to get a different type of love. I think he was camera shy. About a year ago, this is what I used to do with him. Good boy. Good boy. Get it. Come on. Come on. Go get it. Go get it. Come on, boy. Come on. Come on. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. So weird how I feel like I can talk to this tree and he's gonna respond to me. Hey tree, why am I single? I am Groot. I'm out here filming, and I actually came across somebody's collection. Looks like somebody is still obsessed with the old time music display. Look for yourself. Somebody's still collecting these. Like, what? Like the old things. Who uses cassettes anymore? Like, seriously, that's some dinosaur stuff.
2 hours later.
Yeah, you do. Yeah, you still love. You're a lover. Yeah, you're a lover. You still love me. Yeah, look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Over here. Yeah, that's the camera. Yeah, you love the camera, right? You love the camera, bro. It's every day. Like today's video, hit the subscribe button and hit me a like. Hit with me with a comment, whatever you guys like. And this is me signing off. Later, guys.